Are you tired of juggling paperwork and manual data entry? Our custom forms make it easy to create, share, and manage professional forms for any task, keeping you organized and saving you time. Custom forms let you collect and format information easily, from checklists, work order documentation, or customer intake forms. Forget about manually filling in customer or job details. Custom Forms auto-populates fields with existing information, reducing mistakes and eliminating double entry. You can also require specific fields to be completed before submission, ensuring no critical details are missed. You can attach forms to jobs, estimates, and invoices, or use them as standalone records. Keep your operations running smoothly with forms like employee time-off requests, incident reports, and pre- or post-work order checklists. Standardized intake forms help capture the right customer details upfront, reducing the back and forth and delays.